So we've actually agreed a delivery date. Yep, here I am once again at Walton Station on Merseyrail, and I've got a walk now of maybe just under a mile to Aintree Boats. Let's go and see what they've done to Gladys since I was here last in April. Well, I'm rather hot. It's much warmer now than when I left home this morning at 6:30. I've arrived and looking forward to go inside now and seeing what I find. Let's go. Here's Gladys in the middle, and on the left is Foxglove, a 25-foot beetle. I think she's due for delivery soon to Lorna Jane. On the right is Bonnie. You've seen her before, of course. She's a 40-foot beetle like Gladys. I don't think they've finished painting the roof yet on Gladys. I believe that's because they are going to fit the solar panel first before they finish the painting. Here's a little snapshot from the hatch on Gladys, and another view of Foxglove. So the cupboards are in. They haven't quite finished with the handles and things yet, and the sink will be cut out there, and the hob will be here, and the cooker goes there. The bathroom is coming on. Not much different from when I was here last, but get in there, and then we come to the front. Storage down at the front of the boat. So the stove's going to go there. Once that's in, the solid oak flooring will be fitted. Electrical cupboard. Various handles and locks waiting to be fitted. So Foxglove has been moved alongside Gladys, which meant unfortunately I couldn't get a proper side view to take a picture of Gladys and her gorgeous sign writing. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. Picture of the front of both boats. There's a nice picture of the front of Bonnie. This is at the back of Bonnie, and at the back of Gladys, looking through the rear entrance. Another nice view of Foxglove there. The same sign writer painted Foxglove as painted Gladys and Bonnie. And I think he did a cracking job. Pretty dusty, unfortunately, in the workshop. Everywhere was covered in quite a lot of dust and that was a bit of a pity, really. In another workshop you can see some boats which are being constructed. I thought it might be interesting for you to see what they look like when they're just being put together. This is going to be a wide beam, a very large boat. Then I went outside. You can see a few boats over there which are waiting to be delivered next week. And then this orange forklift, huge thing, that's what they use to lift up the boats, move them around and put them on the back of the trailers. Well, there we are. That was my 5th, I think, visit to Aintree Boats. And I think the good news is that I've only got one more visit to make, and that will be when the boat's completed, and I have to go up and they sort of show me around the finished boat prior to it being delivered. And although it looks like there's still quite a bit left to do, Jamie says that it's actually only about 2 to 3 weeks work. And the engine for Gladys is ordered and it's due to come very shortly. So we've actually agreed a delivery date. Here I am, back at Liverpool Lime Street, in plenty of time for my train back to Crewe. Hopefully it'll be a straightforward journey back. It was a bit disrupted coming up because there'd been some incident on the tracks at Crewe, and so I had to change my plans, and took a little bit longer to get here than normal, but that was okay. Still made good time. It's a beautiful day today. Yeah, so it's been a long day. It was worth it though. It was a good trip. I had a really good chat with Jamie and Mark, and I do have a delivery date now, completion date for Gladys, which I'm fairly confident about. I still wouldn't bet my life savings on it, but I am quite confident. It's definitely before September, so that's really good. I'm not going to tell you what the delivery date is, and I'm not going to tell you yet where the boat will be launched. I haven't really finally decided that bit yet, but I will tell you nearer the time. Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I didn't get the wonderful footage I hoped I'd get because of the way the boats are squashed in there. But at least it's a very positive video, and I've got real grounds for optimism now that we're on the last step. Hopefully only one more visit up to Aintree, and that will be the sort of pre-handover visit when the boat's finished and they take me through all the bits and pieces pre-delivery. So that will be a really nice one to film as well. Looking forward to doing that soon. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like, leave a comment, think about subscribing if you haven't already, and that'll be great. And I'll see you next time from somewhere else, although I can't guarantee it won't be Hereford station, but I'll definitely be doing something else. So I'll see you then. Bye.